Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best rated gas fire pits in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Outland Living Gas Fire Pit. Most of the products offered by Outland Living are made for outdoor usage, including its gas fire pit that is quite powerful when compared with other options out there. This gas fire pit is the most powerful option present in this article due to its heating capacity rating of 58,000 BTU that is quite higher than most other options out there. But the best part about it is that it offers this high heating capacity while having a small and compact size or width of just 19 inches that makes it one of the most portable options as well. Since this gas fire pit is quite portable and travel friendly, it makes for a great option as a campfire pit. This can be done by simply using a propane gas tank along with this gas fire pit. A unique thing about this gas fire pit is that it offers rocks for better aesthetics and looks. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bali Outdoors Gas Fire Pit. Although being a relatively small brand, Bali Outdoors develops portable gas fire pits with a large heating capacity to keep you warm even during harsh winters. This gas fire pit comes with a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that creates sufficient heat to maintain a warm temperature. With a weight of just 50 pounds and size of 28 by 28 by 25 inches, you will find it convenient to carry and place it in compact spaces for outdoor use. There is a control knob using which you can adjust the heat output of this fire pit to create the perfect temperature. The gas fire pit features an antique brown with black faux finish that allows you to use it as an outdoor table as well. The fire pit comes in separate parts and you have to assemble by screwing the parts together. Once assembled, you can easily start the fire pit using the push button. Along with the fire pit, you get a blue fire glass to hide the burner ring. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bond Manufacturing Gas Fire Pit. Bond Manufacturing specializes in developing outdoor heating solutions, patio shades, and fountains. The brand produces wood-burning pits, gas heating pits, and Firebowl fillers for outdoor use. This gas fire pit features a powerful 40,000 BTU heat capacity for efficient and functional outdoor heating. The other best feature of this gas fire pit is its durability. It is made from a special material called Envirostone that makes this fire pit durable yet lightweight. There is also a special Pro-Coat coating that ensures your fire pit lasts for a long time even when used outdoors in harsh weather conditions. The burner is made of stainless steel to withstand high temperature and last longer. As the fire pit is compact and lightweight with 63.2 pounds, you can easily carry it anywhere and set it. The fire pit comes with a 20 pounds propane tank that offers enough fuel capacity for your heating needs. The tank is concealed underneath the firebowl. It features a pulse ignition and control knob for easy lighting and temperature adjustment. Along with the fire pit, you get a protective cover that you can use to turn the fire pit into an outdoor table. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Legacy Heating Gas Fire Pit. It is a designer, importer, and distributor of outdoor living products including fire pits, patio heaters, and all the relevant parts and accessories. The brand has its operations in over 30 countries across the globe. This gas fire pit features a dual function that allows you to use this fire pit as an outdoor table, apart from warming your living space. It comes with a matching lid to turn it into a table. The fire pit uses a stainless steel burner with advanced safety features and durability. The fire pit is also ETL approved for its safety features. There is a standard 20 pounds propane gas cylinder concealed beneath the burner that you can easily access. When it comes to performance, the gas fire pit offers a heat capacity of 48,000 BTU that is more than sufficient to warm your living space. For ease of use, there is a push-button spark piezo ignition system that allows you to start the fire pit conveniently. The fire pit is coated with a durable powder that makes it resistant to heat, UV, and harsh weather conditions. Along with the gas fire pit, you get a 3-foot hose with regulator and 4 pounds lava stones. The package also includes a detailed installation that helps you get started with the fire pit. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is UMAX Gas Fire Pit. When compared with other options out there, UMAX is one of the safest gas fire pits because of its various features and certifications that are not found in most other models. This gas fire pit is present in the last position in this article as it offers a wide range of safety certifications to the user, including CSA. Other than that, it comes with a glass wind guard included in the box. While it is there to mainly protect the flame from wind, it can also prevent any accidental touches with the hot surface or the flame itself. As for its performance, this gas fire pit offers a heating capacity of 50,000 BTU that is more than enough. Its large size of 44 inches makes it one of the largest units that offer a great-looking design. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.